Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to disable app lock on the Luno app. Now, disabling app lock on the Luno app will depend on how you initially set up. Here's a breakdown of the common scenarios. Device built-in app lock. So all you need to do is just open your device settings app and find the security, privacy or a similar section. Then look for app lock or app protection. Then you just find the Luno app in the list of locked apps and toggle the switch or button to disable the lock. Now here's for third-party app locker. All you need to do is just launch the third-party app locker you're using. Locate the Luno app within the app lockers list. Look for an option to disable or remove the lock for the Luno app. This might involve toggling a switch, tapping a remove or delete button, removing Luno from the list of locked app. Then you can also uninstall the app locker, but this is quite optional. This is optional. If you can also uninstall the app locker, but this is optional. If you no longer want to use the app locker, you can uninstall it from your device. Now there's Luno's biometric login that is if enabled. All you need to do is just log into your Luno account and navigate to the security settings. Look for the option to disable biometric login, that is fingerprint login, face ID, and you just need to toggle the switch or button to disable it. Now here are some important notes. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on your device's operating system and the specific app locker you're using. And also you need to be cautious when disabling security features, especially for financial apps.